开心和主人玩游戏，好奇的闻一闻摄影机，但这只狗狗在前阵子可是病得不轻。
She would cough until she gagged. And I finally said to him, I said, we really need to take her in.
咳嗽、打喷嚏、嗜睡，有的恶化成肺炎。虽然症状和狗狗常见的犬舍咳很类似，但检测结果却是阴性，对抗生素也没什么反应。这样的诡异疾病目前蔓延全美国至少14个州。8月中旬以来，接获超过200起类似不明病例，兽医们绞尽脑汁。
We are still very much in the information collecting phase.
A new bacteria or virus. It's out there. It is a possibility. The University of New Hampshire has a veterinary lab that has found a pathogen that may or may not be linked, but really we haven't found concrete evidence.
不过，爱荷华州的一名兽医认为这可能是新冠病毒。
Both the last 2 dogs that I treated that were severe. Both customers had COVID within the last week or two.
兽医决定死马当活马医，利用新冠药物 Paxlovid 治疗，还真的让狗狗恢复健康。不过这并非定案。
Still, experts are encouraging dog owners to take precautions, including avoiding large gatherings, other sick dogs, and using public water bowls.
目前兽医只能提醒饲主小心，确保狗狗接种呼吸道疾病的疫苗，但不需恐慌。在找到方法前，主人们可不能松懈。三立新闻时报道。